Do you speak English?
Yep.
How long have you been learning English?
For about maybe 3, maybe 4 years.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have IELTS or any kind of degree? What score do you have in IELTS?
From IELTS 6 and from CEFR B2 57. Yep.
Okay, we're going to continue in Uzbek. 3 ta o'zbek tiliga gap beraman. Agar hech bo'lmasa ikkitasini ingliz tiliga tarjima qilib bera olsangiz, 100 ming yutasiz bo'ladi. Deal?
Yep.
Okay. Birinchisi. Shovqinli joyda bo'lganim uchun telefon qilganingizda javob bera olmadim.
I couldn't answer to your call because of I were in noisy place.
Amazing. Okay. I was. Okay. Men ishni tugatganimdan keyin sizga qo'ng'iroq qilaman chunki hozir bandman.
I will call later because I'm busy now.
Amazing. Uchinchisi. 500 dan ortiq o'quvchini ingliz tilida xayolga kelgan gapni ayta oladigan darajaga olib chiqdim. Ushbu darsni 250 mingdan oshiq o'quvchi ko'rib chiqdi. Siz ham ko'rib chiqing. Bu biz oilamiz bilan tez-tez boradigan joy, chunki bu yer juda tinch.
This is a place where we go with my family very often because this place is very peace.
Amazing. Tabriklayman. Bizdami?
Amirxon.
Amirxon gap yo'q. Barakasini bersin. Sog' bo'ling. Ko'rishamiz. Rahmat.